You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of the city in France? For more French vocabulary and useful names of different cities, make sure to stay tuned to the channel because there's loads to learn here. In France, in French, the name of the city is pronounced as Lens. Okay, so the S is not silent, which is a bit of an exception. Generally, the S's at the end of words and names are silent in French, but not in this case, definitely not. Now, EN together form the sound en. It's very specific to French. So the N is not silent, it's just that EN form this en sound. So, Lens. Now, if you cannot pronounce French or that particular sound, you can always say it as Lens. You can sort of pronounce the N a little bit, doesn't matter too much. Lens. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.